Hey, Mike.
Hey, I'm excited for today's video. I got some great ideas for my appearance today.
Okay, no worries. Just let me film the property first and we'll do that second.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead. Okay, should I do my parts now?
Just give me another 5 minutes and then we'll take a look at it.
Okay, 5 minutes, yeah? Right. Okay, we're running out of time. We still haven't told the buyers about this fully renovated 3-bedroom home with a beautiful kitchen, good sized living area, and outdoor entertaining area as well. I haven't showed you the laundry yet, have I?
All right, Mike, let's start with the ending and we'll work our way backwards.
Okay, all right, first time to do that. All right, thank you for joining me with the video tour. I look forward to see you at one of our open for inspections. Should we do my intro now?